Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to upload high-quality videos on Instagram. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Instagram profile and click on top right 3 lines. After that, here you have to scroll down. Now here you have to click on data usage and quality. After clicking on this, now here you have to click on upload high quality. Now here you have to enable the icon in front of the upload and high quality. Now if you upload any video or any post on Instagram, it will be uploaded in high quality. In this way, you can increase the quality of any video or picture uploading on Instagram.